Привіт-привіт, мої дорогі друзі! Мене звати Інна. My name is Inna. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. You know that I wear a vyshyvanka shirt only for some special occasions. And today we have the Independence Day of Ukraine. And I would like to teach you how you can greet your Ukrainian friends or relatives. So let's start with some basic vocabulary. The word independence means незалежність. Let's divide this long word into syllables. Не-за-леж-ність. Незалежність. Independence. Day means день. Super easy. День. And this phrase Independence Day we pronounce as День незалежності. День незалежності. So literally we say Day of Independence. And then we put this word незалежність in the genitive case. День незалежності. How you can greet people? So you can say з Днем незалежності. З Днем незалежності. That means like with Independence Day, literally like we say I greet you with Day of Independence. З Днем незалежності. Or you can add the word вітаю, that literally means I greet you. Так, з Днем незалежності or вітаю з Днем незалежності. And we celebrate Independence Day on August 24. So 24 серпня. 24 серпня. On August 24. 24 серпня. Так. Ми святкуємо День Незалежності. Так, and you know that, or also you can say День Незалежності України. The Independence Day of Ukraine. День Незалежності України. You can add this word. Or you say з Днем Незалежності України. Вітаю з Днем Незалежності України. That's how you can greet Ukrainians with this holiday. And you know that the Independence Day of Ukraine was proclaimed on August 24th in 1991. But it doesn't mean that Ukraine was created 32 years ago. It wasn't created by Soviet Union and all this kind of bullshit, so don't listen to Russian propaganda, because Ukraine is an ancient country, and you know that Kyievska Rus, Kievan Rus was established in the 8th century. So it existed from the 8th until the 13th century. So this is when the Ukraine was founded many centuries ago, and all our traditions, customs, holidays, language, everything, it has a very long history, a very interesting one. And the modern Ukrainian language was established in the 18th century. So the variant of Ukrainian language that we learn with you right now, pay attention, it was established a long time ago, more than 300 years ago. Yeah, even 400, no, more than 300 years ago. And that's fascinating. That's fascinating. So, guys, my biggest wish is the end of the war. I hope very soon we will celebrate the Victory Day, and I will teach you how to say Happy Victory Day. And we will drink champagne together, we will celebrate and be absolutely happy. Let it come true. Так? І please greet your friends, share some post about Ukraine, about this holiday. If you want to support her son, you can do this with the help of my charity store. Buy t-shirt Save Ukrainian Life. I appreciate it so much. If you want to learn Ukrainian language, please check out my account Speak Ukrainian Language. There you can find online courses, textbooks, flashcards, the opportunity to learn Ukrainian with the help of individual lessons with the professional native teachers. Thank you for supporting me on Patreon, for your donations. Check out my Instagram account Speak Ukrainian Language. Дуже дякую. Слава Україні! Смерть ворогам! Україна понад усе!